The "This app is not available in your country" message is a common hurdle when an app developer has restricted their app to specific geographic regions. This can be due to legal reasons, distribution rights, or a phased rollout. Here's a quick and easy guide to fix this issue on Android devices. Fix 1. Use a VPN. A VPN, virtual private network, is the fastest and most reliable way to bypass geo restrictions by making it appear as if you're browsing from another country. Go to your device's app store and download a reputable VPN application. Many offer a free tier or a free trial. Open the VPN app and connect to a server located in a country where the app is available. This time, go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Store, Storage, Clear Cache, and Clear Data. Open your App Store again while the VPN is still connected. Search for the app, and it should now be available for download. Fix 2. Change your App Store region. Ensure your VPN is connected to the new country you want to switch to. Open the Google Play Store application, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, go to Settings, General, Account and Device Preference. Under Country and Profiles, you should see the option to switch to the new country. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the switch. You may need to add a new payment method associated with that country.